What's going on, guys? 307 here. Frank, I got your 8 pill. Got your transistors put back in here. Retuned it. Let's see what else. Oh, redid the output combiners. We talked on the phone that you had a couple that was broke. The wires and your 120 caps. We'll see how they're pulled. I don't know if it did that way in shipping since there wasn't nothing holding them down or what, but the legs are ripped through the coating. But anyway, I got you up and running. And we're going to use the 350 radio, the 2 pill. Shut that off. I'll show you what we're putting in. Let me turn it up a little bit. Five watts audio test. 5 watts swinging 250 into your 8. 5 watt slug in reverse for input tune. Audio test. About 1.5 watts. Output audio 307 reflect coming back. Audio test. It's about as low as I could get that input tune. I don't know if it's the way this box was built. Just a radio, audio 1 2 1 2, audio test. 3/4 of a watt. I could probably change that if I move these jumpers around. You know, every time you add jumpers, it changes stuff, so on your setup. Anyway, sir, she's doing about 1700 PEP and average audio 307, about 840 average. And this radio is not as hot as the other one that I had. This is just a radio, so about 40 watts. Audio test 1 2 1 2. 4 average. I got it turned down kind of low. Don't want to pop your Toshibas, but there you go, sir. I appreciate it. Merry Christmas, guys. Thanks for all the support.